from A to Z. Let's start. A is for apple, red and yummy. Crunch, crunch. B is for ball, bounce the ball and play. C is for cat, meow, meow. D is for duck, quack, quack. E is for elephant, big ears and a long trunk. F is for fish, swim, swim in the water. G is for goat, goat say mama and eat grass. H is for hat, put on your hat, let's go out. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. What's your favorite flavor? J is for juice, orange juice is so tasty. K is for kite, fly high in the sky. Whee! L is for lion. Whee! L, the jungle, the jungle. M is for monkey, monkeys love to swing on trees. N is for nest, up, birds sleep in their cozy nest. O is for orange, round and sweet, it's orange. P is for penguin, waddle, waddle on the ice. Q is for queen, the queen who wears a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, look up, so many colors. S is for sun, the sun is bright and warm. T is for tree, trees give a shade and fruit. U is for umbrella, open it when it rains. V is for van, beep beep, here comes the van. W is for water, drink water to stay healthy. X is for xylophone, ting ting, let's make music. Y is for yellow like the sun and bananas. Z is for zebra, zebras have black and white stripes. Yay! We finished A to Z, you did amazing! Which letter did you like best?